In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track KPIs in ClickUp. First things first, head over to ClickUp's website to get started. Once you're there, you'll need to log into your account. If you're already logged in, that's great. If not, click on the Login button and enter your details to access your dashboard. After you're logged in, you'll be prompted to continue as your user. So go ahead and do that. Once you're in your ClickUp workspace, look for the plus icon. This is usually found on the left-hand side, which is where you'll find all the customizable options ClickUp offers. Click on this icon to bring up a set of options. Now, from the drop-down menu, you'll want to select Templates. Templates are an awesome way to set up a structured workflow without starting from scratch. When you're in the Templates section, you'll see a list of different template types you can choose from. For tracking KPIs, you'll want to select Space from these template options. Spaces in ClickUp serve as overarching containers, which are ideal for organizing your KPI tracking efforts. Next, use the search bar to type in KPI. This will filter the list to show any KPI-specific templates available, which will save you time and keep it focused. Once you've done that, browse through the options and select the KPI template that best suits your needs. Click on the template, which should bring up more detailed information about what it includes and how it can be used. At this point, you might be eager to see how the template works, so go ahead and click Use Template. An important note here is to confirm this selection, as you'll need to click Use Template again on the next prompt. This double confirmation ensures that you're ready to integrate this setup into your workspace. Once the template is set up, navigate to the Summary section. This is where you'll get a bird's-eye view of all your KPIs. It's helpful to understand where the department is heading and what objectives are key for success. Click on Departmental OKR to delve into more specific objectives and key results. Here, you can align your team's goals with broader organizational aims. To get more granular, click on Progress. This section will allow you to monitor how each KPI is advancing, giving you insights into what's on track and what may require more attention. For a more visual depiction, click on Timeline. This feature provides you with a chronological layout of your tasks and metrics, offering clarity on deadlines and project hotspots. Finally, explore the Board section. This gives you a Kanban-style view of your tasks and KPIs, making it easy to drag, drop, and move tasks around as priorities change. This flexible view can be particularly useful for agile teams that need to adapt quickly. By now, you should have all the tools you need in ClickUp to effectively track and manage your KPIs.